Want to use Tawk.to for your small business? Tawk.to is a customer communication platform that helps small businesses chat with website visitors, answer customer questions, manage support tickets, and improve customer service without paying for the platform's core features. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Tawk.to for small business step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, create a Tawk.to account or sign in if you already have one. Add your business website as a new property, then complete your business profile so your customers know who they're chatting with. Next, install the Tawk.to Live chat widget on your website. You can use the official integration for supported website platforms or copy and paste the widget code into your website manually. Once installed, visitors will be able to contact your business directly from your website. Now customize the chat widget by updating the welcome message, business hours, widget colors, and notification settings. You can also create chat shortcuts for frequently asked questions to help your team respond more efficiently. When customers start a conversation, reply directly from the Tawk.to dashboard or mobile app. If your business has multiple team members, invite them as agents so everyone can help manage incoming chats and support tickets. Finally, review your chat history, visitor activity, and reports to understand how customers interact with your business. Use these insights to improve response times, update your knowledge base, and provide a better customer experience. Reviewing your support performance regularly can help your business build stronger relationships with customers, and that's how to use Tawk.to for a small business. By setting up live chat, managing conversations, and improving your support process, you can provide better customer service and communicate with your visitors more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.